Welcome back to our channel ChandraAwesome again. In this today's video, we are going to learn about the other tools which are available in solve section, that is fold and thread tool. These tools are guys very useful for the when you perform the fashion operations, just like if you want to combine the two parts using temporary fasteners. Temporarily, that is nothing but using by fasteners. For that, you need holes, right? So to perform the holes, you may do the holes by using extrude operation by the main, but with the hole tool, it will be very easy, and in the fusion registry, it will be very advanceable and useful for us also. So let me show you how this to work with the hole tool fusion 360. Okay. First of all, let's understand what it's saying. It's saying create a hole based on the user specified values sections. That means we need a sketch or a face. So let's create the face first and work with it, how to work it. Okay. I'm going to select this face. Let's create a sketch. As for example, sorry. Yep. Need to create on this face, right? Yeah. I'm just going to select the 2-point rectangle and draw some random rectangle. I'm not giving any dimensions, so skip like that. Okay, and finish the sketch. Now select the hole tool, or the shortcut key is H. And here you can see this is the pop-up window we have, which is available. Okay, and in the placement section, it's asking at point or from sketch, which means at point means when you select the face, okay, the hole will be formed at any place. Just you need to move the position of the hole at which place you put. Okay, that is the use of it. Or else you can also increase or decrease the diameter as you want. Okay, that is how to work with. And reference, means it is asking the direction, which means how much direction you want. So based on this, you can also reference. See, it is very easy and easier way to position a hole on a body with just using the tool instead of drawing the sketch on our regular basis. So like this, we will give somewhat better output for desired outcomes. Okay. And this is how quick. This is the reference types, and here you can see we have three type of holes and types of hole type, and also drill point. And it is also showing this what are the values you want to give it for this hole. See, let's for example, and we have the extents also, that is up to distance, up to 2, and to all. We all know how to work with this one. Okay. And you can also put the direction with you. Let's create the, I want to simple, I select the simple tool. Okay. Let's give, it's also showing the reference image. Let's on this side. Yeah. Okay. I selected the simple hole type, and it's asking hole tap type. Just simple, clearance, tap, or tap or trap. Let's for example, I just want to tapper. I want tapper hole, and you can see it is a tapper image. It is not tapper. It's just a tapper image, guys. It's not tapper yet. Okay, and it's a drill flat or angled. Angled means here you can see at the tip of the hole, at the end tip of the hole, it is angled drill. Flat means it's just a flat hole. Okay, let's give it to the handle. And these are the values which we want to give. This is height. It is in the reference image only. It's showing extremely. As for example, I want to give only 40 mm. It's change. I want to angle to 120 degrees. Okay. If you want to set a value scale, you just report to the table bracket and its distance. Why the ST is not changing means because here we have given the reference points. That's why we're not able to change this layer. If we remove the reference points, then you can able to change the date. Let's remove this. Okay, and you can see this is the hole. At first only we need to give diameter. Okay, that is here you can see right here. So here also you can change the. Here we also have the standard edges. We don't need to queue. For example, let's select okay. See, here you already have the standard sizes here, so there is no need to do the input value or confuse with the values. And you can insert the which metrics you are going to use profile. You have several types of profiles and NSI, DIN, GB, iOS, by threads based on the what profiles you want to work with. Like this you can give. Okay, and giving the size, designation, how much bold size you want, that is what you can give, and the class size, direction, right hand or left hand, which means the tapper should be left hand or left hand. Okay, now just to cut, which means on what objects you want to make the holes. We'll for example selected the two parts. Okay, so you must make sure the part. If you unselt it, it will not get the port. Once you select it, will. And here you can see. Let's keep it 26 or 25 like that. There is an option called model. When you click on it, and you can see the hole is actually modeled with the tapper. When you click on OK, you can see left side sketch. The hole is actually tapered, which means we don't need to model the tapper on your own in an extra step. That means it is very easy and also more flexible. It's very easy to make the holes and tapper holes as per we want. And here in the tool, I already showed you that we have different types of holes. Okay, counter bore, counter sink, simple clearance based on the type of hole selected. The tapper hole, the other preferences also will be changed. Okay, so let's select from the sketch. Let's show the sketch, and from the sketch you have to vertices, right? Based on that, you can select them and make the hole. Okay, like this also you can this like a profile difference, right? Like this also you can perform that steps. Okay, that is the difference. How to work, how that is the how to use work with the work with the whole tool in Fusion 360 CAD software, which is very useful for modeling. Okay, let's okay, let's make another hole here. I'm just using the whole tool. So the face moving towards this side. You know, I don't want to be more. Okay. Okay. Okay, I hope this face is not good. Let's edit it. Edit the feature. Remove the face and let's select this face. Put this side. Now we made the hole, but here I want to make the tapper. How we can do that? I want a thread. In this option is a third feature, add international threads to cylinder geometry. Only cylinder geometry. That's a cosmetic mold agent. which means you can only select for cylindrical faces with threads. Okay, let's select with that tool. Select the faces. Okay, and just like how we work in the whole tool, this is the same, which means you have holes already, but you want to thread them. In that time, you can use this feature. Okay, yes, you can also have the model tool, and it definitely automatically model the table, just like that same how you work again. And you say remember size, which means it will understand, means it will take the reference of to which whole diameter we taken. Or else, if we unselect it, it will take the direct values, that selected values. If we can't remember size, it will only take value from our selected size. Okay, you click on it. See, using that tool also you can make threads for the holes. Like this way, that is how to work with the hole tool and thread tool, and how much it is very useful for designing in mechanical design or making holes and threads in Fusion 360. I hope you might understand, guys, and how to work with these tools in Fusion 360. If you really like this concept, guys, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching.